From creatures that look like they're from another planet to animals with unbelievable abilities, today we're diving deep into the wild world of 10 odd and rare animals you've probably never heard of. Starting off our list is the a nocturnal primate from Madagascar that looks like a cross between a bat, a rat, and a monkey. Its long, bony finger is used to tap on trees and find insects hiding inside the bark. It's like nature's very own creepy-crawly detector. Although some locals believe it brings bad luck, this little creature is a vital part of the ecosystem, keeping insect populations in check. Next up, meet the shoebill stork, one of the most bizarre birds in the world. With a beak that looks like a giant shoe, this prehistoric-looking bird has some serious attitude. Known for standing perfectly still for hours, the shoebill waits for the perfect moment to strike its prey, usually large fish, frogs, and even small reptiles. With its piercing gaze and slow movements, it's like something out of a Jurassic Park movie. This one's cute, weird, and tiny all at once. The pink fairy armadillo is the smallest armadillo species, and it looks like a miniature armored tank that's been dipped in pink paint. It uses its clawed front paws to burrow quickly underground, where it spends most of its life hiding from predators. You'll rarely spot this little creature, as it's an expert at staying out of sight. Next we have the Saiga antelope, a critically endangered species with one of the strangest noses in the animal kingdom. Its long, tubular nose looks like it belongs on an alien rather than an antelope. This unusual nose helps the saiga filter dust during the summer and warm the cold air during the harsh winters of the Central Asian steppes. We've talked about the axolotl before, but it's so odd it deserves a spot on this list. This little salamander from Mexico never grows up. It remains in its juvenile form for life. What's more, it has an amazing ability to regenerate lost limbs, gills, and even parts of its heart and brain. Talk about superpowers. Meet the okapi, a relative of the giraffe that looks like a mix between a zebra and a deer. Found only in the rainforests of the Democratic Republic of Congo, this shy, secretive creature is one of the most unique mammals in the world. Just like its cousin, the giraffe, the okapi has a long tongue that it uses to grab leaves from high branches. If deep-sea monsters exist, the goblin shark might be one of them. With its long snout and terrifying extendable jaws, this rare shark species lives deep in the oceans and is rarely seen by humans. It hunts by quickly shooting its jaws forward to snatch up prey, almost like something straight out of a horror movie. Our next creature is a living fossil, the tuatara. Found only in New Zealand, this reptile has remained virtually unchanged for over 200 million years. One of its most bizarre features is a third eye on top of its head, which is thought to help with regulating its day-night cycle. Talk about a throwback. Segment 9, the lowland-streaked tenrec. The lowland-streaked tenrec is one of the few mammals that can communicate through sound made by rubbing its spines together. This hedgehog-like creature uses these sounds to warn others or communicate with its family. Found in Madagascar, this small spiky mammal is a true oddity of the animal world. Segment 10, the yeti crab. Finally, we have the yeti crab, a deep-sea creature that lives near hydrothermal vents. It's named after its long, hairy claws that look like a yeti's fur. What's even more fascinating is that these hairs help it collect bacteria, which it then eats to survive in the extreme conditions of the deep ocean. Closing scene. There you have it, 10 odd and rare animals you've probably never heard of. From the eye's creepy fingers to the yeti crab's hairy claws, nature is full of surprises. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. End screen with channel logo. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible animal content.